Let's see now what is going to happen when we use the imperative forms of the verb and the pronouns, direct or indirect object pronouns. For example, let's start with a sentence like mangia la pizza. Okay, so eat pizza. Now, I don't want to say eat pizza, but I want to say eat it. So I replace la pizza with that pronoun. In Italian, you know, in this case, it's a direct object pronouns because answer the question what. Mangia, what, la pizza. So you know that the pronouns that you need to use, since pizza is feminine singular, is la. So eat it, it will be mangia, and then simply you attach at the end of the verb the pronoun. So it will be mangiala. Same things happen with the void form. The first example is with the to form. So the void form is mangiate. So mangiate la pizza. Now you want to say eat it. So the pronoun is still the same, la, and since in this case it's the void form, the you all form will be mangiate la. Let me give you an example with an indirect object pronouns. For example, pass me the book. So pass me the book. Pass me in this case is an indirect object pronouns because it's to whom. So you know that pass, passare, the imperative form would be passa, and the pronoun, the indirect object pronoun is me. So you attach the pronoun directly to the verb. So passami the book, il libro. Okay. Now the same thing happens if you use the voi forms, the you all forms. So it will be passate in this case, and then the pronoun doesn't change, me, or to me, to whom. So mi, passatemi il libro. Okay. Now let's see what happened when instead of using the affirmative pronoun, the affirmative imperative, we use the negative imperative. Let's use the same exactly example, but let's make them negative. So I want to start with mangiare. Instead of mangia la pizza, you know that you will say non mangiare la pizza. Now, I want to replace la pizza with the pronoun. So again, the pronoun, the correct pronoun is la. So in this case, be careful. You have two options. You can put the pronouns at the end of the infinitive form of the verb. In this case, mangiare. You see, you drop the e, and it will be non mangiar, you drop the e, and mangiarla. Or the second option will be to place the pronouns in front of the verb. So, non la mangiare. Okay, so this is what you can do every time you must use the negative imperative with the pronouns. So you have two options, or you attach the pronouns at the end of the verb. In the case of to forms, since it's an infinitive, you have to drop the e, or you place the pronoun in front of the verb. Let's see now what happened with an indirect pronoun. So again, the pronoun we know that is me. In this case, we go with non first. and we have to do the negative. Remember, this is the to form, so we know you have to remember with when you make the negative with the to forms, you are gonna use the infinitive form of the verb, so will be non passar. You have to use passare, you drop the e, so non passarmi il libro, and then you attach me at the end of the infinitive form, non passarmi il libro. Or you have another option, you write non and then you place the pronouns in front of the verb. Since it's the to form, the negative imperative for the to form is the infinitive, it will be non mi passare il libro. Okay, now let's see what is going to happen when we use the voi form, the you plural form. Same thing, non, and then I take the verb passate and attach the pronoun at the end of the verb. So non passatemi il libro. Or second option, I write non and I place the pronouns me in front of the verb. In this case, the verb is passate, so non mi passate il libro. Okay, and we are done. Just one thing. Remember that the reflexive verbs, since there are verbs with the reflexive pronouns, they work exactly like the imperative that we have seen when they are used in the imperative form. So let's take, for example, one verb like wake up. So if you want to say wake up, remember the verb to wake up is svegliarsi. Okay, so wake up, you have to first use the just make svegliarsi, so it will work like svegliare, so it works like a verb from the first conjugation in are, so it's like mangia, no? So it would be sveglia, and now since you wanna use as an imperative, it will be svegliati, because it's you, no? The you form. And in the case of a voi form, it will be svegliate, and you have to use v. You attach v at the end. Okay, so now let's see what is going to happen with a negative form. And they just follow the rules of the other imperatives. So we have two options. So let's see. Non ti svegliare. Okay, in the case of to form, non ti svegliare, since remember that two forms use the infinitive, or non svegliarti. Okay, actually, okay, let's use non svegliarti first, just to do as we did before. So non svegliarti or non ti svegliare. In the first case, non svegliarti, we attach the pronoun at the end of the verb. In the case of to form, the verb is an infinitive, so we drop the e. And in the second case, non ti svegliare, we simply place the pronoun in front of the verb. Now, let's see what happened with the voi form. And the voi form, let me write it here, the voi form will be non svegliate vi, so we use the form for voice, svegliate, and we attach at the end of the verb, the pronoun, so vi at the end of svegliate, so non svegliatevi, or we place the pronoun in front of the verb, non vi, svegliatevi.